Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to tell if someone is monitoring you or tracking you through your phone and how you can stop them on your phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. Then make sure you type in notifications and hit on search. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you go to unknown tracker alerts. It's going to take you right here. Now, unknown tracker alerts. When alerts are on, you will get a notification if an unknown tracker is detected traveling with you. Alerts are detected after 48 hours. What you need to do here is to turn on this button right here. Having turned on this particular button, scroll down right here and check on report. And one more thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. For you to do that, click on turn on. Then click on allow. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on scan now. Just like what you see right here, no tracker detected. But if there is someone monitoring you or try to track your movement with just your phone, you will definitely see the report right here. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.